So how to get back on the Tinder app after being banned. It is possible, it is doable, it's very complex, and it's kind of costly. So I'm going to get into it. Let me break down all of what you're going to need, and then I have an alternative solution which is much cheaper if you don't want to go this costly route. So to get back on the Tinder app after you've been banned, you have to basically become an entire new person in the digital technical sense, because so the app can't recognize you as this previously banned person, right? So your banned account is gone, you're not going to get that back. The only solution is to create a new Tinder account. Now, if you want to use the Tinder app again, you're going to require a new device. So you're going to need a new phone. And yes, that sucks. Yes, it's expensive, but this is required. Now, I would suggest getting a used phone. And I've noticed with our clients, because we do this all the time, helping people, Androids will be less problematic than iPhones. So if you're going to buy a phone specifically for a Tinder, to get back on Tinder, I'd say get yourself a used cheap Android, and that's the best way to do it. This is the most affordable way to do it. Now, if you happen to be in the market to buy a new phone anyway, just get whatever phone, iPhone, it doesn't matter, and create everything new. So what you're going to need is a new device, new phone. You're going to need a new SIM card, like new phone number. Now you're going to need a new Apple ID, because they can recognize you by the Apple ID. And then you're going to need to use all new photos. Okay, so you have to do everything new. And I would even say when you sign up for this, if you're on your home Wi-Fi or a Wi-Fi that you frequent, to log off of that and use the phone's LTE or data rather than Wi-Fi, just while creating it for the first 2 days or so, and then go on the Wi-Fi, you should be fine. Now, if this sounds extremely crazy and you're not looking to buy a new phone, the original solution I had, and you could check out my past video on it, is how to get back on the Tinder app using the Tinder mobile website from your phone through a privacy browser app, either Brave or DuckDuckGo, and also using a new SIM card. And now, so a lot of people struggle to buy a new SIM card because their phone number is tied to their phone plan. And if that's you, we do have a service. You can click the link in the description where we use a SIM card on our end. You send a text code to it, and it helps you set it up everything. So it's not a fake number. It's not a VoIP number. Those no longer work with Tinder. I know I see some videos out there suggesting those, but we found they just don't work anymore. So you need a real SIM card. And so if you're in a country where you can go out and buy a SIM card easy enough, you could do it on your own. If you're somewhere like United States or a country where getting a SIM card is a pain and difficult, then it's probably best you just click the link in the description and go and use our service, and we'll help you out. All right. And so using the DuckDuckGo privacy browser method, it is, I think, the overall best solution, because you don't have to change anything. You don't have to change your phone. You don't have to change your Apple ID. The only thing you would need is new photos, right? Because they'll memorize your photos, and they could ban you if you use the same photos. So it's kind of complex. If you have any questions, throw it in the comments section. You can click the link in the description. You could shoot me a message on that page. There's a Facebook chat. We check it multiple times throughout the day. And so me and my team will respond to you, and we'll help get you back on Tinder, no matter what way you want to do it, what solution you think is best. Any questions, just hit us up and we'll help you out. All right, so hope this helps you out. Thanks a lot.